This video will show how to create a QR code. For example, you can see in the EasyCAD software, this is the big classification. The big classification. You can choose the barcode font, and then in the smaller classification, we can find the QR code. And we will input our website, for example. And put this mark. Put this pattern, this GR code. Press this button and in the center, put it in the center. Then the GR code is created. You can scan the GR code and you will open our website. Finish. Thank you.